Alright, here's some more laser. Got a tire, got bare aluminum with some electrical tape, powder coated part, and then the blue. This is the closest thing to a blue trash can I can come up with. Actually, this is my second take on this. I thought I was doing a video already, but it was just a picture. So I'll show y'all what I come up with on the blue thing. It doesn't do much to blue at all. I can feel it's doing something with the texture, but it's not very violent on the blue. Not doing much at all. On the powder coated part, it takes it down to the bare aluminum. On just bare aluminum, it doesn't do a lot. It's like it's just burning oxidation off any dirt or anything. It don't like electrical tape, so it eats right through black electrical tape, but it doesn't do hardly anything to this blue plastic. It sounds like it's doing a lot to it, but it's not doing hardly anything. Let's see a tire. Okay, it don't like a rubber tire. Wow, it actually cleaned it really good. Well, that's pretty impressive. I thought it was burning the tire up, but it really cleaned it. Cleaned everything off of it. So that's pretty neat. But there's y'all's answer on the blue trash can. It doesn't do much at all to the blue. If I set in one spot really hard, it melts it, but if I'm just blowing across it, it doesn't do that much. Unlike something like painted or powder coated. See what it does to anodize. Look at that, it takes the anodize right off of that fitting. Took all the anodize off. It cleans my concrete floor pretty good too. All right, so that answers some questions for y'all.